Do you want to learn Cavalry faster? Learn from active users, maybe even learn from other professionals? Then let's take a look at scenery.io. Scenery.io has a lot of assets that you can take a look at. Scenes, plugins, scripts, everything to kickstart your Cavalry journey. So let's take a look at it. Let's go. Welcome to scenery.io. And the first thing that I want to show you is this message down below here. Scenery is not affiliated with Cavalry or the Scene Group. There's apparently something in the minds of people that Scenery is a part of the Cavalry itself. It isn't. It's run by a friend of mine, Remco. He's doing this all on its own. Shout out to him for setting this up. This is really amazing. And the first thing we're going to take a look at are the scenes. And in scenes, you can browse through so many different submissions. These are all individual Cavalry artists that are submitting their scenes for you to discover, just to try it out. And when you hover over it, you can actually see what's happening. Really amazing. This is the first place you need to take a look at when you're starting with Cavalry. And we're gonna take a look at my own. I recently submitted this one, the very first one. I have no idea why it took so long for me to upload my very first scene. And once you click on it, you can directly download it, but you also directly see all the different elements or layers that I used with this. And great way if you want to look for a specific layer that you don't understand, you can actually look it up here. Because if we go to our scenes and filter by layer, you can actually look for a specific layer. And let's say chop pad. I have no idea what I would do with it. Well, actually I do. But here you see all the scenes with the chop pad. And I really like this from Kornikov. Let's click on it. And then here you see chop path. And here is something important that you really need to realize. Because people are sharing these scenes for free, doesn't always mean you can use it for your own commercial gains. If you take a look here at the license, it has the standard license. Basically, Kornikov says, hey, this is my work. I'm sharing it so that you can learn from it, but do not share it with other people. And if we go to, I'll remove this filter by layer. If we go, for example, to my scene, for me, this is just a technical thing that I want to share. And this has, as it is set to public domain. You can use it however you want. You can use it for one of your projects, one of your commercial projects, without the need to mention me. Let's look for another one. Let's go to this one. And here we see credit must be given to Dart Pulse. Only non-commercial uses are permitted. So once you start downloading scenes, make sure you read the license and how you can use it. Not only can you download individual scenes, you can actually acquire a whole collection of scenes. Let's take a look at it. Here we have collections, and collections is just basically a series of different scenes. And let's take a look at Kornikov again. And here you can see the visual that you could download. And in this case, you download the whole collection. And currently we only have paid collections. But if you take a look at the standard license, you could actually manipulate it to yourself for your own gains. And you have all these different templates. So these are, if this is the style that you're looking for, these are really great starting points to start working with Cavalry. See them as templates and just like how many, like 36 different scenes for just 15 euros, 50 cents a piece. That's cheap. But what if you're looking for something that Cavalry doesn't offer natively? And really nice effect. Well, for that we got plugins. Personally, I really miss Deep Glow from After Effects, and until recently we didn't have an option like that until now. Let's take a look at it. This is the plugins section of scenery.io, And here we have Hyperglow. This is the deep glow for Cavalry. So let's take a look at it. And here you can see an overview. You can play the video, read the description, buy the plugin directly. And if we scroll back up, we have even the manual. This explains you how to download the whole plugin and how to install it. Just follow the instructions perfectly fine. And the releases. And let's take a look at the stuff that we have available, because we even have Metaball. I cannot wait to play with this. And even this Edge Sketch, like, and Shadow Grain. These plugins are really amazing. I'm really happy with this recent addition. And shout out to Shot TY. How do you say it? Shot Ty? I have no idea. But made these 4 plugins. I cannot wait to try them out. And what if you want to speed up your workflow, become faster, become more efficient? Well, for that, we got the scripts. And here we have scripts. And scripts are basically methods to make your work faster. For example, one that I'm using, the Cavalry asset library from Elliot. This is a really great way to save assets that you already created and just save them for later use. And then we have curves, and those are the basically, I think it's called flow, but yeah, you can really create your own custom curves, which is really handy and really nice to have. So you might be wondering, what's the major difference between plugins and scripts? Well, plugins really have a real-time nature, like effects, and they really evaluate most of the time frame by frame. And scripts are usually, they feel like plugins once in a while, but they are actually click operations that are made really fast and efficient. So that's the major difference between the two. And let's take a look at the last category, palettes. Well, it speaks for itself. You can download all the palettes here, and it's the same as scenes. You just click on it, and then you can download it. And also, these assets have an licensed, but most of them will be public domain. If the scenes and the collections and maybe even the plugins and the scripts are not scratching your itch, and you really would love to start learning Cavalry in a lot more in depth with some personal attention, well, for that we got workshops. And Scenery recently started with workshops, and here you see the very first one. Let's take a look at it. And this workshop, typographic animations, is done by Antonin, and here you can see in preview what you will make within Cavalry. So if you really want to have more hands-on approach and really spend some time on it, for example here, 2 days, 8 hours in total, and you're gonna cover these 8 pieces, yeah, that's a lot of intensive work. Just scroll through it so you can check which layers you're gonna work with, read about the instructor itself, and obviously the price of the workshop. And make sure you're on time, because these workshops have been sold out in a rapid amount of time. So yeah, reserve your spot once you are able to get it. What if you're an experienced Cavalry user and you want to start sharing your own scenes? You want to participate and give something back to the community? Well, let's take a look how you can do that. And maybe you want to upload something like this, what I did, so that other people can start learning from it. And especially in my case, this JavaScript utility, it contains some code that actually makes this happen. And maybe you have something similar and you really want to share it. If you want to start sharing your own scenes, you go to scripts, and then you go to this one, upload. And upload is a script made by Scenery itself, which allows you to upload scenes to Cavalry. Just press download and then read the manual. And the manual is really perfectly clear. Just follow the instructions of this so that you can install your script. And then let's open Cavalry itself, and I'll show you how you can share a scene. I made a really simple composition here, one that Remco easily can ignore. And what we will do is we go to scripts, upload, and upload. And there we have it. And you will be prompted to log in with your scenery account. And then you arrive here at the scene window or the upload window. And we want to upload this composition. So we'll go to scene. And here you can actually select the thumbnail, because maybe you have an intro animation and you want to have the thumbnail somewhere else. So you click just here on thumbnail and it will set a marker so that Upload knows where to take a screenshot. Then you can create a name, please ignore, and then you can decide if you want to share this specific scene for free or even with a fixed price. Let's say 999 euros. Oh, 99 euros. You cannot go beyond 100. And then the license can be selected. Well, if you're doing something priced, you can only select one license. But let's go back to free. And then you have an option between all these different licenses. You can check the attribution for more like how it actually works. And this is how you can upload your scene. And in this case, I'm ready. Let's press submit. And then it will start exporting it. It will make the thumbnail. It will also make a separate scene file in that case. And once it's done, you will see awaiting approval. Scenery will check your file, see if it is up to standard, and then accept it. And if you want to upload a new scene, you just press new upload, and there we have it. If you're learning a lot from the scenes within Scenery and you're getting a lot of value from it, and you still would like to contribute a little bit, then you can become a Patreon. There are two options, one time 30 euros and another time 5 euros each month. Secret, I'm actually doing both at the same time. And once you become a Patreon, you get some extra features. So this is a great way to support Scenery, to make it even grow bigger, to make it really a marketplace for Cavalry itself. Let's wrap it up. Scenery is a really great place to learn, whether you're a beginner or a professional, to learn about Cavalry itself. And even if you follow all my tutorials, please always go to Scenery, because you get some amazing resources that you can learn from. And on top of that, it's going to be an amazing marketplace. If you visit Scenery, let me know in the comments what you like the most about it. And also let me know which scene did you like the most. See you at the next video. Bye bye.